Swastik, I've given you permission. If you can please record. Yes. A village having a population of 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per day per head. 150 liter per day per head. What does it mean?
One person
150 liter per
one person needs 150 liter of water per day.
Yes, that means for one person, 150 liter of water is required in a day for one person. Now, this 150 liter would include bathing, washing, any need, any kind of need that we, anywhere then where we use water, cooking for that person, washing of that person, cleaning, bathing, anything. You can, na, on which all areas you need water in a daily life. है ना? So for the one person, one day's need is 150 liter. And how many people are there in the village?
4,000.
4,000.
4,000.
4,000.
Can you just tell me what is the daily need? Daily need of the village members, of all the village members. What will we do here?
4,000.
Ma'am, 4,000 into 150.
1,000 into 150.
4 zeros as it is, 4 zeros as it is, and 50
60.
into 4.
60.
60.
So it is 6 lakh.
6 lakh liter.
6 lakh liter water is required in
1 day.
how many days?
1 day.
1 day.
One day.
By the entire village. By entire village. Question is, it has a tank. It here stands for village. Village has a tank measuring 20 meter by 15 meter by 6 meter. There is a tank in the village with this dimension. Okay, for how many days will the water of this tank last? तो कितने दिन तक इस टैंक का पानी sufficient होगा इस village के लिए? But I would like to change the question. Now suppose you have a tank which has a capacity of 100 liter. Suppose just a small tank, 100 liter, or let's make it 1,000. Okay, and let's say you need 200 liter of water every day. You alone need 200 liter water every day. So how many liters of water is needed for 2 days?
400.
100 liters.
400 liters.
3 days?
600 liters.
So you
600
can
liters.
calculate.
600 liters.
You can calculate that way. But here the question is, I'm changing the question. The total capacity of the tank is 1,000 liter. So for how many days you can use this
5.
water? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Dividing.
Capacity of the tank divided by your 1 day need. Right, beta? So likewise, this is the 1 day need of the entire village. And this is the capacity of the tank. Let us see what is the capacity of the tank. If we multiply 15 into 6.
90.
90.
20.
1800.
1800 meter cube.
1800 meter cube.
And we discussed, you remember that if we have a 1 meter cube tank capacity, 1 meter cube,
1000 liters.
tank is 1 meter wide, 1 meter deep, 1 meter long. Then how many liters of water can it hold?
1,000 liter.
1,000 liters.
The cube will be changed to liter, and for that I shall multiply it by 1,000. Right? So this is the capacity of the tank, and this is the per day need. So for how many days will it Last, can you tell me? They go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 5 zeros cancel, and 18 divided by 6
Three.
gives you.
3 days.
So water in the tank will last for 3 days. Is the question clear?
Yes.
Yes.
This was just an explanation. Abhi I will be writing it down. All right. So let us write it down. This is exercise 13.5. 6. So it is given. One day's capacity one day's requirement for one person is equal to 150 liter. One day's requirement for 4,000 persons is equal to. Is the board readable?
Yes, ma'am.
4,000 into 150 liter, which is 3. Okay. Now, capacity of tank is equal 20 meter into 15 meter into 6 meter, which is
18. 1800.
1800
18.5 zeros.
meter cube.
नहीं, sorry, actually तो meter cube में है ना, and which will be equal to 1800 into 1000 liter. See, meter cube is being changed to 1000 liter. You can put the arrow like this if you want. So that becomes 18 lakh. All right. Thus, the number of days for which the water in tank will last. Last means khatam hona. Last means khatam hona is equal capacity of tank divided by daily requirement of village. Right? So this is equal to 18 lakh liter divided by 6 lakh liter. This will get cancelled and 18 about 6. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Swastik.